In this video we're going to show how to remove the sun visor assembly from an Audi A3 8P, years 2004 to 2012. Tools you'll need for the job: T25 Torx and 2 picks, one straight and one angled. First you need to remove this little cover that's covering a bolt. Using your pick, just go in at the back of it, push it in and then just pry it down. And that'll show the T25 bolt that you need to undo. Once the bolt's removed, unhook the screwdriver from the hook on the inside and that'll just swing out towards you. If you've got illuminated sun visors with a light above it, there will be a plug there that you need to undo. That just comes apart, just give it a wiggle. And that's the sun visor removed. If you also want to remove the hook from the inside there, you need to remove this outer cover. The outer cover is what actually holds the whole thing on. If you get your pick and just insert it just on the very edge, just get it in and just pull down gently, and that'll come out and that'll follow it. So this is how the assembly works. That pushes in first and the cover's actually got these 2 pegs on it that slot into the 2 holes. When this cover pushes in, the 2 pins there that go through actually spread the tabs on the back, so that's what actually holds it in. As you can see there, when you push it in, it clicks in and spreads the tabs out. That's what holds it in place into the roof.